Hi, we're at SLA Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, just right outside Nashville. Our number is 615-641-7720. Today we'll be looking at the Husqvarna Z242F Special Edition zero-turn mower. This mower has a 42-inch ClearCut 10-gauge steel fabricated cutting deck. There is a removable floor panel for access to your spindles. We have a standard seat. That has been upgraded. There is a 6-position cutting system on this mower, as well as extra tread on your rear tires. This mower comes with a 21.5 horsepower Kawasaki FR 651V engine. We have our fuel tank with a capacity of 3.5 gallons. The controls with the throttle, ignition, and hour meter. This mower has a plastic chute. There is a cutting height adjustment with cutting heights between 1.5 and 4 inches. Once again, this is the Husqvarna Z242F zero-turn mower. If you were interested in this mower or any other mower we have online, please give us a call at 615-641-7720.